Most people get this wrong when trying to claim free games from Amazon Prime Gaming. They have an active Prime membership, but they miss out on dozens of free games and in-game rewards every year. Here's the truth no one tells you. Claiming Prime Gaming rewards is easier than most people think, but one small mistake can cause you to miss out completely. In this video, you'll learn exactly what Amazon Prime Gaming is, how to claim free games in 2026, and the fastest way to make sure you never miss a reward again. Let's get straight to the process. If you already have an Amazon Prime membership, you may have access to Prime Gaming benefits. Start by signing into your Amazon account and visiting the Prime Gaming section. Once you're logged in, you'll see available free games, gaming content, and special rewards. When you find a game you want, simply select the claim option. Depending on the game, it may be added directly to your game library or require activation through a supported gaming platform. That's the basic process. But here's the problem. Many users claim a game and then can't find it later. This is where most people fail. Different games may use different redemption methods. Some are playable through Amazon's gaming ecosystem, while others may require linking accounts with supported game services. Now here's where it gets interesting. Prime Gaming isn't just about free games. Many players overlook the monthly in-game rewards. These can include character skins, currency packs, cosmetic items, and bonus content for popular online games. Let's use a simple example. Jake has Amazon Prime, but only uses it for shipping and streaming. He checks Prime Gaming once a month and discovers several free games plus bonus rewards for games he already plays. Within minutes, he's getting extra value from a subscription he already pays for. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest habit that helps you maximize Prime Gaming. First, make sure your account information is current and any required gaming accounts are properly linked. This can prevent redemption issues and save time when claiming rewards. But here's another important tip. Prime Gaming offers change regularly. Free games available today may not be available next month. That's why checking the platform frequently is one of the smartest things you can do. The easiest strategy is simple. Visit Prime Gaming at least once every month and claim everything that interests you. Even if you don't plan to play immediately, many claimed games stay in your library after redemption. Let's recap. Sign in to your Amazon account, visit Prime Gaming, browse available rewards, claim the games you want, and follow any redemption instructions if required. Don't forget to check for monthly in-game rewards as well. Now you're ready to get more value from your Prime membership and start building your game library for free. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments what free game you've claimed recently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.